Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Let me show you how to silence those annoying app sounds in just a few taps. To turn off the app notification sound on your iPhone, let's head to Settings and then to the Sounds section to adjust these preferences accordingly now. In Sounds, you'll turn off the text tone, which affects all notifications, so be aware that this setting impacts everything, changing how you're notified overall. For a specific app, we'll go to Notifications to customize its alert settings and make those adjustments individually now there. Here you can turn off notifications for any app easily, in just a few quick simple steps now available. Like with Chrome, you can select Deliver Quietly for muted alerts. Turning the sound on means notifications will start coming through again. To turn off message sounds, we'll select the sounds option for this specific app, which allows us to customize its notification audio settings. You can turn off notifications for different apps in a similar way, one by one, which is really convenient for customizing your iPhone experience overall. Or switch them off all at once for simplicity. Mute those annoying sounds! Check the description for a discount and like/subscribe for more tips.